What's up everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we're in the 2024 Nissan Z Nismo. We are going to enjoy a mountain road trip listening to the exhaust. If you want to see our reactions coming down this same exact mountain, take a look at that video linked below. But with that said, let's enjoy what the Nismo Z is all about, how it sounds, how it feels in the POV setting on the mountains. So some ending thoughts with the Nismo Z. This handles absolutely amazing. It is a blast taking these turns. The steering ratio is so nice and tight. There is plenty of power from the twin turbo motor. Suspension is incredibly stiff along with the chassis, and the revised tuning of the 9-speed and Sport Plus mode. It is a complete different car than a Z Performance. It handles so well. There are no shortcomings as just a fun sports car. It is a blast to drive. You can drive it quickly. The Dunlop tires are sticky. They give you so much grip even when it is like 50 degrees outside. So this is a really confident car to drive. You do have a little bit of the turbo lag down low, and of course it can hit a little hard, so you just got to watch some of the sharp turns. You know, coming out of the turn, you don't want to go too crazy and boost, but it is so much fun. It's such a little go-kart. Even though it weighs in around 3,700 pounds, it does not feel like that whatsoever. It feels light on its toes. It's so direct. And given the chassis is incredibly stiff, you feel every bump. You're kind of just moving all over the road, but it is character filled. There is so much fun factor to this car. Even though there's no 6-speed manual available, the 9-speed is just as responsive as you would expect a sports car to be. So honestly, I don't really have a complaint with that. These Akabono brakes with the larger rotors, I mean, they are going to do the job getting you down in speed. The Nismo tuning of this car is by far a huge upgrade over the Z Performance. Completely different car, even though it's only 20 more horsepower. You know, you're not buying this because of 20 horsepower, you're buying it because of the entire chassis changes, the handling, the steering, the brakes, the tuning. It is an absolute blast. As long as you can get over the price tag comparing it to the competition, you are gonna love the Nismo. It is just so much fun. There are certainly mixed reviews, but if you just want an old school fun sports car, I mean, this is just so awesome. I genuinely, as a Supra owner, I genuinely am enjoying this car tremendously. Nismo knows what to do. They can turn a Nissan into a full-on sports car, and this thing just freaking goes. It is a blast. As a sports car, I don't think there are any shortcomings. I think it gives you what you want. You know, may not have the most refinements, may not have drive modes that actually do anything, but stick it in Sport Plus, use the paddles, rip on it, and you are gonna have an absolute blast behind the wheel of a Nismo Z. Gosh, you can just destroy your tires out on the mountains and just go and go and go until you run out of gas. This car is a blast. There is a full point of view drive in the fun roads with the new Nismo Z. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for plenty more content and take a look at all of our Nismo content. We've had this car for a week, so take a look at everything we filmed with this really fun sports car. And we'll see you all in the next video.